Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of J
and C Collects.
Today we are doing our 151 booster bundle.
This is our first one that we're opening up on the channel. Actually, ever.
Yeah.
We've opened up 2 of the Japanese versions.
Yep.
And they're already up, so if you want to see that, they'll be right here. But for this video, guys, for the holidays, we wanted to do a giveaway. Yep. So, put that down for that.
I'm playing with knives.
So we are giving away for the holidays. The winner will be announced on Christmas. In order to be eligible to win this Surging Sparks little pack here, you get 3 and a promo. You need to subscribe,
like,
and follow, share, comment below, tag 3 people, and enter in below.
And we'll also be giving a couple other things included with this, so it's not just the Surging Sparks. The other things that we throw in there will be some surprises, but yeah, definitely be worth it. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and continuing to watch the videos. So we want to be able to give back and watch that be the one that has the golden Pikachu that my wife's been after for so long and can't find. That would really get to her. So
hopefully you guys are lucky enough to pull that.
All right, so 151s today.
Ooh.
Let's take a look. So we had a couple different boxes that we were able to pick up today. And we chose this one, but my wife going like this. And saying this is the right one. So let's see if her intuition is correct. Let's hope. Alright, so a bunch of 151s.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you pick the 3 you want to open.
I'm doing these 3.
Okay.
They feel thick.
Yeah, they do. You first, baby.
Surprised only 6 packs come in the bundle. Alright, do I have to do the... No, I don't have to do it for this one, right?
Nah.
Alright.
Good luck.
I have a good feeling.
Caterpie. And I almost finished my 151 Japanese binder, so I'm excited to do the English version too.
Boom. Nope, ditto. We have all art ditto, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, we have that.
I'll put the regulars here.
Alright, my turn. Let's go. We got Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Old Amber, Pidgeotto, Pharaoh, Onyx, Dragonair, Rattata, and Marowak. And a shiny energy.
Shiny energy, okay.
Okay.
Not bad, baby. Take a shiny energy all day.
I need some, excuse me. Dodo, Lapras.
Lapras is always good. Scanther.
Zubat. Graveler.
And
Articuno. Very nice.
we already have you.
I just listed you on eBay.
Right.
Because I did him, Zapdos, and Moltres.
Together.
Yep. Okay, Poliwhirl, Kakuna, Poliwag, Ponyta, Victor Bell. Let's go.
Oh, me
we
too.
got it. Ew, Jinx EX. But we have this one.
That Mew's nice. It's a reverse holo.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have it.
It's nice.
It is. I'll take Mew. I love Mew.
Do these ones come with like the Pokeballs, or is that...
No, that's just the Japanese.
Japanese, okay. Alright, last packs each.
Wish us good luck. Make sure to subscribe and comment below so you're entered in to win the Surging Sparks. Zubat, Pinsir, Bill's Transfer.
Come on.
Diglett. Let's go. Oh!
Nice.
Giovanni's Charisma.
That's a 2-star.
Ooh.
So that means there has to be something good behind this.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, Electrode. That's cool, whatever.
Okay,
oh, heck yeah.
Electrode. That is really nice.
That was your last pack magic.
Yeah, that Giovanni's is nice.
Wow. Beautiful. Oh, that was worth it.
Yeah, it was.
Let's go. Spearow, Bellsprout, Magikarp, Oddish, Primate. Let's go. This is new. Ooh. And another freaking Jinx. Here's the code card.
2 Jinxes?
Hey, you know, it's still an EX. Very nice.
Diglett.
We're going to be listing this on TCG Player and eBay. And if you guys are interested in any, like, purchasing any type of booster packs, let us know so we can start ripping them for you. If you want to, like, we would love to do that and interact with you more live. So if you're interested, please let us know.
Or if you see something you need to complete a set, reach out. We're happy to help any way we can.
Yeah, definitely. So let's just... This was fun.
Yeah.
This was really fun.
Bad.
This was fun. Just to get this right off the bat, this is great.
Yeah.
And 2 EXs, I wish it was 2 different ones. But hey, we got these.
Take what you get.
Yeah. These are hard to find, these booster bundles, so we took advantage of it, and this was really fun opening.
It really was. And thank you guys for joining us. We really appreciate it. Please remember to like, subscribe, follow, just interact with us. Let us know you're there.
Yeah.
And we'll be able to pick somebody out and be able to send them a nice little Christmas gift, and hopefully you're able to pull something good. If you do, please share it with us. All
the details will be down below in the description box, so happy holidays.
I don't know what to do with my hands. No. Alright. Boom. That Giovanni's charisma is really good.
Yeah.